Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Digiwards. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Digiwards application, and once you open it up, you might be asked to log into your account. Go ahead and tap on the login button and then use your Google account to log into your Digiwards account. And as soon as you're logged in, you will see various different offers that you can complete in order to get bonuses. Now, if you don't wish to use the Digiwards application anymore and you wish your account to be deleted, tap on the three dots at the top right corner from the home page and you will find the delete account option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. If you wish to proceed forward, you will need to type in the delete command within the given box, and after typing in delete, you can tap on the green delete button and your account will be scheduled for deletion. Make sure not to log back into your account for at least 2 weeks, after which your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Digiwards. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.